Guys from Kisino Patel, this is Casey. This is called Litson. Litson, okay? Some are not done yet. You can see this one. It's over here. The Litson. That's one over there, guys. Okay? Thank you very much. Maraming salamat yung mga subscriber ko dyan. Yung Litson ko. Litsong manok. Yung pinakamasarap, malinamnam. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Akong mga higala dyan sa Subo, all over, may higala ko dyan, mga waray. Pare, marasa ito na nasumsuman, pulutan. Naimas na to yan. Okay guys, maraming salamat. Hanggang dito lang muna ako, Pang Kisam Charles S. Casey.